Welcome again to Douglas's Math World. Now, this is a typical type question that I've always struggled with when I was in high school. And let us say I want a simple way to know whether when I'm converting from degrees to radians, or whether I want to convert from radians to degrees, what to multiply them by. Alright, let me start with the radians one first. In order to remember which one of the fractions to use to convert radians to degrees, what I would do is look at this. Pi is in the numerator. So if I want to get rid of pi by multiplication so that the pi cancels out, pi therefore has to be in the denominator. And that's the only way that I can cancel. I can only remember that I can only cancel diagonally or vertically. In this case, pi will be diagonal, so I could cancel these two pi's out. So therefore it will be 180 over pi when converting from radians to degrees. In this case, if I want to convert to radians from degrees to radians, pi has to be in the numerator and it has to be by multiplication as well. So if pi is in the numerator, and I know that 180 is going to also be there in the denominator. So that is how I know how to convert from degrees to radians and then radians to degrees. Again, radians to degrees, you need pi to be cancelled out. And the only way that pi can be cancelled out is if pi is in the denominator. So it will multiply by 180 over pi. Converting from degrees to radians, I need pi in the numerator, so it will be pi over 180. I'm just quickly doing this. If I divide each of these by 90, so 19 to 180, that's 2 times, 19 to 270, that's 3 times. So I get 3 pi over 2, so that's in radians. And if I cancel this out now, 3 into 180, that's 60. Pi cancels pi. So 2 times 60, that is 120 degrees. And that's how I'll be able to know to actually do those conversions very easily. If I'm converting from radians to degrees, I have to get pi cancelled, and the only way to do that is by having pi in the denominator. So I'll be multiplying by 180 over pi. If I'm converting from degrees to radians, I need pi in the numerator. So I'll be multiplying by pi over 180. And then I do my cancelling and I'll get my solutions. Alright.